This set of flashcards is for Virginia Studies Physical Geography, and this is Virginia Studies Standards 2.A through C. Our next set of flashcards are the bodies of water in Virginia, and they include the major rivers, oceans, and lakes in or near Virginia. What is this body of water that the arrow is pointing to? This is the Chesapeake Bay. It provides a safe harbor, was a source of food and transportation, and it also separates the eastern shore from the mainland of Virginia. Which body of water is this arrow pointing to? Try and answer before I move the card. It's the Potomac River. It's the river we cross to go to D.C. It flows into the Chesapeake Bay, and Alexandria is located along the Potomac River. What body of water is this arrow pointing to? See if you can answer before I move the card. It's pointing to the Rappahannock River. The Rappahannock River flows into the Chesapeake Bay, and Fredericksburg is located on the Rappahannock River. Which body of water is this arrow pointing to? It's pointing to the York River. The York River flows into the Chesapeake Bay. Yorktown is located along the York River. And of the rivers that we study, it has the shortest name, and it's also the shortest river. Which body of water is the arrow pointing to? It's pointing to the James River. The James River flows into the Chesapeake Bay. Richmond and Jamestown are both located along the James River. Which ocean borders Virginia? Don't forget, it provided transportation between Virginia and other places like Europe, Africa, and the Caribbean. It's the Atlantic Ocean. What is the fall line? It's highlighted in green on this map. The fall line is the natural border between the coastal plain, otherwise known as the Tidewater, and Piedmont regions, where waterfalls prevent further travel on the river. Why were the rivers important in Virginia's history? It's because each river was a source of food and provided a pathway for exploration and settlement of Virginia. What do you know about Lake Drummond? Did you know it's located in the coastal plain region? And it's a shallow natural lake surrounded by the Dismal Swamp. What do you know about the Dismal Swamp? Did you know that it's located in the coastal plain or the Tidewater region? It's home to a variety of wildlife, and George Washington himself explored and surveyed the Dismal Swamp. What is a peninsula? A peninsula is a land bordered by water on 3 sides. In Virginia, each of the major rivers is separated by a peninsula. Also, the eastern shore is part of the peninsula known as Delmarva, the Delmarva Peninsula. It's the southernmost tip of that peninsula.